This is going to be a video tutorial on how to see all of your friends' birthdays on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my web browser opened and I'm logged into Facebook here. I am on the regular Newsfeed page. If you go up to the top and you click on the F up here, that's what page I'm on here. And this pane off to the left-hand side here, you can see it says events right here. If you don't see it in this group of things here, you want to go down to the bottom and you want to click on see more. Click this little drop down, and then you have to find events in here. Like I said, mine's up here. I'm going to click on events, and then right down here it says birthdays. You want to click on birthdays. And then right here in the center pane right here, you could see a list of all your friends' upcoming birthdays. If there's a birthday today, it'll list it here. Recent birthdays, upcoming birthdays, birthdays for the current month that you're in. If you scroll downward, you'll come up with other months and it lists your friends' birthdays. That is how to view your friends' upcoming birthdays. Thanks for watching.